Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a size chart to your Shopify product pages. This is a simple but super useful feature that helps your customers pick the right fit. It reduces returns and builds trust with your store. So, let's get started. First, we'll need to create a size chart page. Go ahead and log in to your Shopify admin. Once you're in, go to Online Store, then click on Pages and choose Add Page. Give your new page a name, like size chart or something similar. Now, you can create the chart in two ways. The first way is by inserting a table directly into the text editor. This lets you type out your measurements in rows and columns, which is great for SEO since it's text-based. The second option is to use an image. You can upload a nice visual size chart if you want it to look more branded or stylish. Once you're done setting it up, don't forget to hit Save.Next. We'll create a meta field so you can link this size chart to specific products. To do that, go to Settings, then Custom Data, and click on Add Definition. Give it a name like Size Chart, and for the content type, choose Page, then click Save. This meta field will let you connect the size chart page to any product you want. Now, head over to your Products section in the Shopify admin. Pick a product you want to add the size chart to, then scroll down until you see the meta field section. Click Select Page and choose the size chart page you just made. Once again, make sure to save your changes. Finally, it's time to make the size chart appear on your product page. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. In the editor sidebar, choose Products and open the default product template. You can display the chart in a couple of different ways. The first and most common way is to add it as a collapsible row. Under Product Information, click Add Block, select Collapsible Row, and drag it so it appears below your buy buttons. Then, link it to the size chart meta field you just created. If you prefer something more interactive, you can also set it up as a pop. That way, customers can click a button that opens the size chart in a window without leaving the product page. And here's a quick tip. Make sure your size chart is super clear and easy to read. If you sell internationally, it's a good idea to include both inches and centimeters, so shoppers from different regions can understand it easily. And that's it. You've just added a size chart to your Shopify product pages. It's simple, looks professional, and makes a big difference in your customer experience. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Shopify tips. And drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.